What's up guys, in this video I will show you a blockchain platform that focuses on the gaming industry. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Enjin's landing page. Link will be in the description of the video. It's Enjin.io. Enjin is a blockchain platform, guys, an ecosystem that focuses on the gaming industry. And it was created by Enjin Pte Limited. The company was founded in 2009 and Enjin is best known by the token name ENJ. So that is the native token that they use. So it is a cryptocurrency that is built on the Ethereum blockchain and it is designed to be used within the gaming community. Alright, so let's talk more about what else we need to know about Enjin. Let me show you this one. So talking about the ENJ token, guys, which is the native cryptocurrency of the ecosystem for Enjin. It is an Ethereum based token that can be used for a variety of purposes within the gaming world. And just like what I mentioned earlier, the entire Enjin blockchain platform, guys, really focuses more on like the play to earn or the gaming ecosystem for that. And it also includes creating and managing in-game items or virtual assets and the digital collectibles, which is this one, so the NFT. For the non-fungible tokens, otherwise known as the NFT, Enjin has been at the forefront of the NFT space within the gaming industry. Now, they provide tools and infrastructures for the game developers to create NFTs, allowing players to have true ownership of the in-game assets or the in-game items that they use. Now, next one that I would also like to touch on about Enjin, guys, is the Enjin platform. It offers a suite of development tools and APIs that enable game developers to integrate blockchain technology into their games. And just to name some of the well-known games that they have in the Enjin platform, guys, like what it says here. All right, you have the Ether Legends, you have Min-Mins, you have War of Ants, and a lot more. So you can go ahead and check this one out and see for yourselves what are the projects that were built in the Enjin platform. And you could also search them out in playtoearn.net. That's also a separate website that you could go ahead and check out to see what are what are the top games that you could go ahead and check out in terms of the play to earn space. And I would highly encourage that you go ahead and check out their white paper. That way you would know a lot of things that you need to know about Enjin before you start investing in their platform. Alright guys, also I would like to take this opportunity to show you this playoff.cc, guys. You can go ahead and check them out, check their website. The game is free to play, and unlike your casino type games wherein you always lose, the best part about this one, guys, is you do not need to pay in order for you to start playing the game and earning for free. Alright, it is actually a player-to-player type or a PvP type game, and playoff games do not play against the player. Alright, so what it does is the more you win, the better for playoff is. So playoff is actually playing with you. Alright, so it tries to help you win, because the more you win, the more the game wins as well, or the more playoff wins as well. So you're in the same team with the game. Now, so it is also easy to earn $10 to $30 in 2 to 3 days depending on the skill that you have, because playoff is also a skill-based game, so you don't just rely on luck. So the more or the better you play, the more you earn with this game. All right, what's also good about this one, guys, is that they have a low withdrawal limit. The games with playoff changes frequently, so everyone has the equal opportunity to start off again, start off fresh, and practice. That way you could hone your skills and get better at the game and earn more. So you could also have higher chances to win in the Metal Masters tournament if you guys are playing the premium, which gets you ×5 or 5 times the medals that you get each game. There are also different tournaments in here. You have the High Score and the Metal Masters. You can go ahead and check them out to see if you could get as much earnings from High Score or from Metal Master. All right, so the best things that I like the most about playoff, guys, is that it has a transparent gameplay. The players do not need to pay in order to start earning. So playing or starting for free just simply means that you do not need prepayments in order for you to start playing and earning for free. So you can also easily earn $10 to $30 in 2 to 3 days, depending on how good you are, how skilled you are with the games that they have in here. Alright guys, so please stay until the end screen videos. I'm sure those videos will be helpful to you in terms of your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.